Distance formula. In the xy plane, we take 2 point A having coordinate x1, y1 and point B having coordinate x2, y2. To find the distance between point A and B, we draw to the point B BP perpendicular to x-axis. Also, through the point A, we draw AD perpendicular to the segment BP. This point D lies on the segment BP and segment BP is parallel to y-axis. आणि आपल्याला माहिती आहे की y-axis ला पॅरलल असलेल्या लाईन वरील प्रत्येक पॉइंटचा x कोऑर्डिनेट हा सेम असतो. म्हणजेच पॉइंट डी, पॉइंट पी आणि पॉइंट बी यांचा x कोऑर्डिनेट सेम येणार आहे. पॉइंट बी चा x कोऑर्डिनेट किती आहे x2. That means x coordinate of point D is x2. Also x coordinate of point P is x2. Similarly, here AD is parallel to x axis. आणि आपल्याला माहिती आहे की x axis ला पॅरलल असलेल्या लाईन वरील प्रत्येक पॉइंटचा y कोऑर्डिनेट सेम येणार आहे. आता A चा y कोऑर्डिनेट किती आहे y1. Therefore y coordinate of point D is also y1. Therefore, point D having coordinate x2, y1. Here, ADB is an right angle triangle. AD is parallel to x-axis. Y coordinate of point A and D are same. Therefore, to find the distance between point A and D, we have to take subtraction of their x coordinate. Therefore, distance AD is nothing but how much? x2 minus x1. Here, BD is parallel to y-axis. Therefore, x coordinate of point B and D are same. To find the distance between point B and D, we have to take subtraction of their y coordinate. Therefore, distance BD is equal to y2 minus y1. In this right angle triangle, we know the length of AD and length of BD. To find the length of AB, we have to apply Pythagoras theorem to right angle triangle ADB. In this right angle triangle ADB, AB is the hypotenuse. The square of hypotenuse AB is equal to AD square plus BD square. But length of AD is nothing but how much? x2 minus x1 bracket square plus length of BD is nothing but how much? y2 minus y1 its square. Now to find the length of AB, we have to take square root on both sides. Therefore, AB is equal to how much? Root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. This is known as distance formula. Note that AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square is equal to x1 minus x2 bracket square plus y1 minus y2 bracket square. इथं लक्षात घ्या, जो ऑर्डर आपण घेणार आहोत x कोऑर्डिनेट मधला तोच इथे y कोऑर्डिनेट मध्ये ऑर्डर घ्यायची आहे. प्रॅक्टिस सेट 5.1. Find the distance between each of the following pair of points: A having coordinate 2, 3 and B having coordinate 4, 1. Let A having coordinate x1, y1 and B having coordinate x2, y2 be any two given points. Therefore, x1 is nothing but x coordinate of point A, which is 2, and y1 is nothing but 3. x2 is nothing but x coordinate of point B, and that is given 4. And y2 is nothing but y coordinate of point B, which is 1. By the distance formula, distance AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Substitute the value here. Therefore, distance AB is equal to x2 is equal to how much? इथं काय करायचं लक्षात घ्या, डिस्टन्स AB म्हणजे काय, तर B मधून A चे कोऑर्डिनेट सबट्रॅक्ट करायचे. आता पहिला आपण घेतो x कोऑर्डिनेट. B चा x कोऑर्डिनेट 4 आहे. 4 मधून किती सबट्रॅक्ट करायचे आपल्याला? 2 सबट्रॅक्ट करायचे. Therefore 4 minus 2 ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर प्लस इनटू ब्रॅकेट y2 minus y1 म्हणजे B चा y कोऑर्डिनेट 1 minus A चा y कोऑर्डिनेट 3. Therefore 1. We will continue the chapter coordinate geometry. Today we will learn distance formula. 1 minus 3 bracket square. 4 minus 2 is nothing but how much? 2 bracket square plus 3 is greater than 1. Therefore give the sign of 3. And 3 minus 1 is nothing but how much? 2. Therefore negative 2 bracket square. Now 2 square is nothing but 4. आणि निगेटिव्ह 2 चा सुद्धा स्क्वेअर किती येणार आहे 4. हियर 4 ची किती वेळा ऍडिशन आहे 2 टाइम्स आहे, म्हणजेच याचं काय येणार आहे रूट ऑफ 4 इंटू 2. इथे आपण सेपरेट स्क्वेअर रूट घेऊयात. 4 चं स्क्वेअर रूट किती येणार आहे 2, पण 2 चं निघत नाही म्हणून रूट 2 आतमध्ये तसाच. Therefore AB is equal to how much 2 root 2 units. Now next example, P having coordinate negative 5, 7 and Q having coordinate negative 1, 3. Let P having coordinate x1, y1 and Q having coordinate x2, y2 be the two given points. Therefore x1 म्हणजे P चा x coordinate किती आहे negative 5 आणि y coordinate म्हणजे y1 किती दिलेला आहे 7. Q चा x coordinate means x2, how much negative 1, and y2 is nothing but y coordinate of Q, how much 3. By the distance formula we know that distance PQ is equal to root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Therefore distance PQ is equal to x2 is nothing but how much. इथे Q मधून P चे coordinate subtract करायचे आहेत. पहिला आपण x coordinate मधला डिफरन्स घेतोय, मग Q चा x coordinate negative 1 आणि P चा x coordinate negative 5 यांची सबट्रॅक्शन, that means negative 1 minus into bracket. इथं ब्रॅकेट यूज करायचं लक्षात घ्या, कारण दोन निगेटिव्ह साइन जवळ आलेले आहेत. मायनस इंटू ब्रॅकेट negative 5 square. y2 means y coordinate of x, how much 3, minus y coordinate of P 7 bracket square. Here negative 1 as it is and minus into minus becomes as plus, therefore negative 1 plus 5 bracket square plus. Here 7 is greater than 3, therefore give the sign of 7, and 7 minus 3 nothing but 4, therefore negative 4 bracket square. Minus 1 plus 5 means both have opposite sign, therefore we have to take subtraction. 5 is greater than 1, therefore 5 minus 1 is nothing but 4 bracket square plus negative 4 bracket square. The square of 4 is nothing but 16 plus negative 4 square is nothing but 16. Here sum of 16 two times, therefore we write here 16 into 2. Now taking square root separately, the square root of 16 is nothing but 4, but we can't take square root of 2, therefore 4 root 2 units. Therefore distance PQ is equal to 4 root 2 units. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, also share this video. Thank you.